Hi, welcome to Guy Girl Fishing. Right now we're camping in Crownlands and we basically created this site. We hauled in all the rocks for our fire pit, cleaned out all of the ferns, chopped down some old trees.
This used to be an old site, but there's been a lot of fallen items that's happened here and it's got abandoned. Like, look at these two big bad boys. There's another one there. This used to be, I think that back in the Rangers day when there was a ranger camp over that way, this used to be maintained, but that stopped in 2010?
Yeah, 2010. Yeah.
So that would make sense about that tree, because I don't think that tree and the one behind it was here, and that one, because they would have maintained all these sites.
So we're going to be coming back here, but we're going to do some fishing on this lake today. Guy's going to head out right now by himself, do a little solo. I'm going to clean up the site, and we'll be hitting the water this afternoon as well.
Gotta get some double shot Starbucks energy coffee, calf, vitamin, guarana, bee, that bunch of labels. Labels everywhere. Here we go. Ooh. This, I hacked all this stuff out. This was there used to be a little wee trail there, but she just found 3 muskrats, so she was wondering if it was from them. I don't think so.
Actually, it was 5, but that's cool. They all just yelled at me.
She's used to getting yelled at by muskrats. Okay, what do I want? Do I want the front? Yeah, I'll get the front. I like sitting backwards in my boat when it's just me, because then it balances better. Bubba, over there, he was on that island right there, and he caught a 5.19 bass this morning. Nice. Good job, Bubba. You're part of the 5 pound. We're all a part of the 5 pounder group now. Oh, I grabbed the wrong pole. I need my pole. I just made this for my girl last night because her jigger knot quit. It broke, so I just wired her up a double. But that's not what I want. All right, here you go, my love. Hey, don't you be falling on camera, man. We don't have any outtakes back here.
There's more of you. You guys haven't seen that yet.
Thanks, love. Are you okay? Are you okay?
I was okay. I put these on for a reason. I got a soaker last time. So.
I'll put out this plopper. They're smacking the plopper pretty good last night. Apparently, this is a very heavily active evening lake. Lots of active little fishes. Alright, here we go. Alright. Oh, one just hit it. Little guy. Little guy. I'm going to take my frog up in that creek up in there and see how well that pans out. Just using a topwater froggy here. Lots of muskrat dens around here, but there'd be lots of big bass hiding up in here, I wouldn't doubt. I think so. See what they want. Okay, right down the center there. One hit it. I didn't allow it to set though properly. I hate that when my spider wire does this. It always happens when a bass smacks your lure and you miss the strike. I'll have to try a kelly worm in here, see how well that pulls off. Put a fire tail on. Actually, I should do my double. I should tie my fire tail to my spinner and do a double setup. See if they can't resist that. Usually they can't. They are resisting today though, aren't they? Right after a rainstorm, I thought they would have been all over it, but apparently not. Let's see what happens there. Oh, buddy, that's gonna... We're looking at a 5-pounder here. Here we go. Let's see what happens here. First cast with that jig on. Just had a hit instantly. Oh, I just need a big fat one. Beat my record. Let's try over there. Maybe there's something hiding in there. Something hit that. Did a half-at hit. I don't know if that's a rock bass or what is that little guy. Something smacking it. But right in the weeds. Beautiful. It's not like the first time we came here. When we first came here, they were just every cast. It was stupid. But I wonder if that had to do with it being late June yet. Still close to spawning season. Maybe they were hovering by their nest still. That's all very possible. We got a little rat on here. He just he hit the kelly worm. These guys jump a lot in this lake though. Like a lot. They're really frisky here. To the point is where you can't even get your hand in their mouth because they're already jumping. You're gonna get smacked with your own hook. Like, look at how much he jumped. He just oh, my boy's here. Alright, we got one on. I don't know how big he is, but I just let my kelly worm sit finally. Something finally was hitting. Well, he's not very big. These guys jump so much here though. Buddy, it's just a little fart. Quads like to rip around this lake. Oh yeah. That's what it is. They're just lazy. They're not really wanting to work for anything. I'm gonna try that girl style fishing, just let it sit there. She does really good doing it. She got some big fish doing that too. Throw that right in there. Oh yeah, right in the weeds. Sure. I knew it was gonna happen too. Alright, let's see what happens there. Oh, instantly, did you see that? And there he is, hiding in there, just a little fart. That was pretty awesome though. These guys are really aggressive out here though. Like, usually most bass will stop fighting as soon as you have them by the mouth. Not these guys. He's trying to bite me. Dude, don't shove it in your tongue anymore. Come on, open up. I got blood on my shorts. Good thing they're swimming shorts. There he is. See you later, little bud. You guys just trolled through here. My kelly worm, let the wind drift me. Because they're not really biting that hard. I'll go back and collect the gang. There we go. he got off too. Dang. Let the wind just take me. Take me home. Maybe there's a big fat one in here. Looking for lunch. Just waiting to get eaten. Hit it right out of the middle of nowhere. Look at that guy. I was just drifting with my kelly worm on the surface. Maybe that's the way to catch them. I don't know how you guys troll or drift. My nail hurt my freaking finger yesterday, ripping out, what do you call them? Ferns. Tore the whole bottom of my finger. But anyways, when I troll, I usually keep my finger locked on my line. So that way when you know, if you're getting a bite, you get an instant set direct connection to the line, not having to let your pull go down and then maybe you lose drag as you know, when you set the hook hard, you lose your tension with your drag. So I always set it with my finger there. Oh, something's hitting it right now. Oh, I got something on. There we go. Another little fart. Just a little guy. They are so full of energy in this lake though. Holy cow. But most bass open up their mouth pretty much. These guys, no, they keep it closed and they're like, yeah, stick your finger near my mouth, man, and I'll just jump around so you get hooked. There's number 3 or 4, sorry. All right, this guy smashed it. Just a little guy, but he hit it. He hit it. Good. This kelly worm is just about done. Their jaws are really tough right now. This one's got some fight to her. It's still the same size. They're all roughly, and every one of them's right full of piss and vinegar. Look at them all. See, see how he holds open his mouth? Yeah, as soon as you come here, touch my mouth, I'll just jerk it around and bite you. Yeah. He's like, come on, I dare you. Stick your fingers in my mouth while that lure's in there. I'm gonna chomp on you and then thrash and bang and get you caught and see how you like it. That's what it's like. It's like that's what they're saying. One thing with these kelly worms though, you don't really have any losses because there's 3 hooks on them. They're a nice lure, but they get destroyed real quick. This one probably got about 20 fish, and it's just completely mangled. But they're cheap too. If you order enough of them online, they pay. The shipping and everything, maybe $4 a piece. But they really work well. Today is not a good representation of this, but they do definitely work really well. Ooh. Girls over there with Daisy Duke shorts on. Get her out in the boat and get the luck out in this boat. Oh, that was a nice fish. He just had a hold of that. I let loose because I was jigging it, and that's when I didn't set it too hard. I should have. There we go. Another little guy. Another little guy. Oh yeah, right in the weeds. Come on. Swim out of there, buddy. Help me out. You're not gonna help me out? No. I just wanna dragged me right in the weeds and knocked himself off. Look at that. And people call them swamp donkeys. They know what they're doing. They might be starting to pick up now. Maybe they're gonna start biting again. He wasn't very big anyway. He was just a little guy. I'm looking for a big 5-pounder. That's what I want.